Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video of Logging It, I will be showing you how to make your cover photo private on Facebook. So for that, open the Facebook application first. Now once you're at the home page, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left, tap that. In the profile space, you need to scroll down to your phone where you have updated or you have uploaded the cover photo. This is the cover photo that I uploaded on my Facebook in March 10. So for you to edit it, you need to tap on the dotted line beside it, and there you need to tap on the option edit post. Tap that. So once you tap that, you can see there is no option or you do not have a option to edit the privacy section for you to make it private. The cover photo is always set to private. But what you can do is you can make the old cover picture private for yourself only in your Facebook. So this is the current photo or the cover photo of mine. So I'm just gonna remove the current one and upload a new one over here. Tap on save. Now this will change the cover photo of my account. This is the current and this one is the previous one. If you tap that, you will have the option to edit privacy, and now you can make this a public or either private. I'm gonna go with only me, that is only I will be able to view this cover photo. As you can see the locked icon, so the present or the current cover photo will be public, but the previous one will be locked and private. So this is a way how you can make your cover photo private on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.